Hey there, tech enthusiasts and Amazon device lovers. Today, we're diving into a game-changing accessory that's about to revolutionize the way you power your Amazon devices. Buckle up, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how this tiny cable can solve one of the biggest annoyances in your smart home setup. Imagine never having to fumble with bulky AC adapters again. That's right, we're talking about the made-for-Amazon USB power cable that eliminates the need for those pesky wall warts. This sleek, 6-foot cable is a lifesaver for anyone who's tired of cluttered outlets and tangled cords. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's just a cable. What's the big deal? But trust me, this isn't your average USB cord. This bad boy is specifically designed to work with a wide range of Amazon devices, including Echo Dot 2nd and 3rd Gen, Echo Dot with clock, Echo Spot, and even the Fire TV Cube. Let's talk power. This cable delivers a solid 15 watts of juice, which is more than enough to keep your devices running smoothly. And the best part, it's compatible with any USB port that can handle that output. That means you can plug it into your computer, a portable battery pack, or even your car's USB port for on-the-go charging. But here's where it gets really interesting. The made-for-Amazon USB power cable isn't just about convenience. It's about creating a cleaner, more streamlined look in your home. No more unsightly adapters sticking out of your walls or taking up valuable space on your power strips. This cable lets you tuck your devices away neatly, making your smart home setup look as sleek as it functions. Now, I've been using this cable for a few weeks, and I've got to say, the build quality is impressive. The connectors feel solid, and the cable itself is flexible yet durable. It's clear that Amazon put some thought into making this a long-lasting accessory. One of the things I love most about this cable is how it simplifies travel. If you're like me and you like to take your Echo Dot on trips, you'll appreciate being able to leave the bulky adapter at home. Just toss this cable in your bag, and you're good to go. But don't just take my word for it. Users are raving about how this cable has simplified their lives. One reviewer said, "This cable is a game changer for my cluttered nightstand. I can finally charge my Echo Dot without taking up another outlet." Now, I know some of you might be wondering about compatibility with non-Amazon devices. While this cable is optimized for Amazon products, it will work with other USB-powered devices that require similar power output. Just keep in mind that it's not guaranteed to work with everything. In conclusion, if you're looking to streamline your Amazon device setup, reduce clutter, and simplify your charging situation, the made-for-Amazon USB power cable is It's a small investment that makes a big difference in how you interact with your smart home devices. So, what are you waiting for? Grab one of these cables and say goodbye to adapter hassles forever. Trust me, your outlets and your sanity will thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Until next time, keep your devices charged and your smart home smarter.